Okay, I got kind of a special song for you today. I just absolutely fell in love with this song. It's by a band called HAIM, H-A-I-M. That's three sisters, and they're just multi-instrumentalists, fabulous singer-songwriters and musicians. This one, I should mention out of the gate, I was playing along with it, and I realized that the shapes they're using, as you'll see, and I'm going to call the chords out in their regular shapes, but they're capoed up. That's all you got to know, is they're one step up. So if you try to play this along, you'll notice that it's an A flat instead of G, right? So it's capoed up. So just keep that in mind. So the intro goes that's kind of off of a G chord there. You're going to G to like an A minor seventh shape. You've heard that Paul Simon lick. In fact, this song is reminiscent of kind of like we were talking about Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. So anyway, I'm just going to play through the verse feel, and then I'm going to take the chorus feel separate. And then there's a cool little bridge that has some turnarounds. So the way the verse feel goes is like this. It does a little walk down. A minor, and then D with an F sharp. Just like a D chord. And this is a good one for you to know if you don't know it. And then I put my second finger on the F sharp. When I say F sharp, it's actually a G note, as you can see. Because we're capoed up, I'm just going to use the regular shapes. So in this case, it's the second fret, second finger. So that's your second chord. And then so it goes A minor, 7, to D with an F sharp, and then G. C. It does a little walk down. Same thing. And then this one here we do like a climb, which is a B note. It's truly a G chord. But you got a B here, a second fret, third fret on the B string with your pinky up to the C. So it sounds like this. Very Landslide, isn't it? So let's put those two together again, and I'll try to take it a little slower. So you're probably wondering about the picking pattern there. And I've been trying to teach this in a couple of my lessons. Down, down, up, up, down. So down, down, up, down. Thumb, thumb, second, first, thumb. So if you don't know that picking pattern, that's okay. You can just strum it, and I'll give you an example of what that sounds like. So I don't want to get too technically into this because it's going to stop the flow if I do. I'm just going to show you the chords, show you the way to play it, picking and strumming. So that's the verse thing, and then the actual chorus, what I would call the chorus. It does what I would call a bridge, where it says hallelujah. It goes to the D, and then C. So the bridge just sounds like. To F, right back to a verse feel. That's Hallelujah by HAIM. I know it's a little bit tricky, and that bridge, I hope I got that bridge right for you. If you play along with it, it almost sounds like a C major 7th to me on the bridge where it goes. And to a C. Then right to a C, E minor, and then does the F. To an A minor, and it goes right, transitions right into a final verse. But I think this song is just so beautiful the way it flows. Again, it sounds to me, it's reminiscent of, you know, a little bit of Paul Simon. Love that lick, and then also the kind of almost a landslide. Not to take anything away from them, but you know, I think a lot of these great songs are reminiscent of songs we've loved, and that's partly why I think they're hits. So that's a brand new one. It's by HAIM. Check it out. Play along with it. Don't forget your capo when you do. And it's just a beautiful song called Hallelujah.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.